I told you that we had a 91.3% customer success rate for referrals, it's hardly a statistic that you'd take to your dinner table tonight and want to tell your whole family about. And that's because it's clunky. Yep, it's accurate, but it's clunky. It's unmemorable. So what I've got to do as the presenter is I have to turn that into a story. And that's because the vast majority of people in any audience are visual learners. So how does that become a story? Well, let's say instead that 9 out of every 10 customers that walk through our doors end up recommending us to their friends, their families, and to their colleagues. Yes, it's a little bit inaccurate, but I'm much happier with that because it's likely to be remembered at the dinner table that night. If you're enjoying this advice, then head over to the Pink Elephant Academy. You'll find courses on writing, presenting, media, and other forms of communication. We'll see you there.